Hey everyone, welcome back to DesignGoRhythm. If you have been following our house design series, today's video is going to be fun one. We are modeling a study table in SketchUp on iPad, and if you are new here, don't worry, I will guide you step by step. Let's start simple. First we will draw the base of our study table in 2D. Use the line, rectangle tools, selection tools and erase tools to sketch out the tabletop and side panels. Remember, I have already covered the basics of these tools in previous tutorials, so if you need a refresher, check out the links in the description below. Now let's bring it to life. Use push, pull and follow me tools to create the legs and tabletop. In just a few clicks, our flat sketch starts transforming into a real table. Before we move to accessories, let's give our study table some realistic finishes. Open the material panel and download textures like wood, laminates or other metal. Apply different materials to the tabletop, legs. It instantly makes the model feel more alive and professional. Now comes the fun part, styling. Open up 3D warehouse and bring in some decor items like books, plants, a lamp or even a laptop for the table. You can scale, rotate and position them just the way you like. Small details makes a huge difference in how real your scene feels. Once the setup looks good, let's play with the visuals. Head out to Styles panel, try different looks from sketchy to realistic, switch on shadows, adjust the time of day, and watch your design change instantly. And finally, the magic touch. Render with diffusion. I will choose a clean photorealistic style. Just tap generate, wait a few moments, and boom, you have got professional looking renders right to show off. And that's it. Our study table is ready in SketchUp on iPad from scratch to render. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to like, subscribe and join Team Gorhythm where creativity finds its rhythm. Drop your question or ideas in the comment. I love hearing from you all. See you all in the next one.